What's up, everyone, and welcome back to Slide Through News. I'm your host, Will Pousant, and we got a good episode for you guys this week. We got 2 new drivers for you guys to check out, and we also have 2 more events for this weekend coming up. It's a busy holiday season, so there's not much going on because everyone's out doing their shopping and getting stuff ready for the holiday if they got people coming in. But if you need tires or you need a gift for somebody, make sure to check out Zagnova first. They sell the tires. That's Zagnova US on Instagram. Save yourself 25% off your total purchase with your first purchase using my discount code WillPousant. And if you need any gear as far as like steering wheels, clothing, you got banners, stickers, all that stuff, make sure to check out Prisma Lab and NRG holding it down for the channel. I appreciate everyone that supports the channel, but let's get right into today's episode of Slide Through News. First event, guys, we have Drift Corpus going down December 20th for their Driftmas Bash. This one's going to be fun. It's an all-day event. We have all the time schedules right here on the screen for you guys. I believe it's only $85 to drive, so it's not much to drive, and spectators, of course, is a small fee. And I believe they're doing ride-alongs as well. But I have all the info right here on the screen for you guys, so make sure to check it out. And if you have any questions, comment down below, and I'll answer them the best of my ability, or I'm sure Drift Corpus will respond as well. Make sure to check it out, guys, this weekend, December 20th. Also this weekend, guys, we have OSW throwing a Driver's Appreciation Day. It's 9 to 5. Great time schedule, and also the price is only $50 for drivers. So if you want to go have some fun with the OSW crew, this is one to definitely check out. Save yourself some money. Spend $50 to drive all day. Great price right there. So shout out to OSW. Make sure to go check it out this weekend, December 20th as well. I'm sure by now you guys all know who Dylan Hughes is. He's a phenomenal driver, but right here we have a clip from Apple Valley Speedway of him flying down the straightaway and going sideways right into first turn. We have a GoPro angle as well, and his car went right over that GoPro. It looks so sick. He has the outside view and then the GoPro view, so we're going to watch it right here full screen. Let's check it out. First driver shout out goes to Mike Chiphack, which is also Mick Hale on Instagram. That's MIKHAIL. Check him out. He drives a Hyundai Genesis, one of the few that drives these cars. He has an FDF Mantis kit version 2 he's testing out. He had the V1 before. He also has the 3.8 V6, and he also is rocking a short shifter and also full PBM rear suspension on this car. This fool gets down. We have a lot of clips to go through from this guy, so we'll go ahead and watch these full screen in just a moment. So shout out to Mike for wanting to be on the channel, and thank you for driving something new. A lot of people drive the same cars, and his diff ratio is a 4.181, so it looks like this thing shifts amazingly, and the gear ratio is perfect for this car at these tracks. So let's go ahead and check it out. Make sure to give him a follow as well on Instagram. I'll tag him down below, but he is someone that's driving something new and new to the scene opposed to like a 240 or a 350Z. So make sure to check him out. If you have any upgrades that you need to your Hyundai Genesis to drift like this, make sure to comment down below or hit him up. Super chill guy. Let's go ahead and watch this full screen. Next driver shout out I want to mention is Healthy Haken. I hope I said that right, but I'll make sure to tag him down below so you could give him a follow. At the time of this video, this Mustang was completely stock, but right now it's on BC coilovers, fully electric power steering, rack limiter delete, and tie rod spacers. So very minimal upgrades to this Mustang. So if you have any questions about upgrading your Mustang, comment down below for the answers. He's a super cool guy as well. He'll answer to the best of his abilities, but he has driven this car stock and he has gotten down. This is a slow-mo clip, so there's not any sound, but I'll go ahead and play it anyways full screen. Make sure to show him a warm welcome and thank you for sending clips my way. I appreciate all you guys, and I love to give you new drivers to follow. So let's go ahead and check this out full screen, and shout out to you, man, for sending me this clip. That's going to do it for this week's episode of Slide Through News. Thank you guys for tuning in once again for another great week of drifting. And make sure if you need any last minute shopping ideas, go check out Prisma Lab. Go get some tires from Zek Nova. Go check out Chase Bays for some hand brakes and whatnot. Go check out all the other companies that support the channel, because without them, drifting wouldn't be what it is today. A lot of grassroots supporters right there. And also make sure to check out CoreWorks. CoreWorks makes the basics for your drift car. Coil pack covers and anything like that, or hand brakes as well. They do it all. They have a lot of cool products on their site, so make sure to check them out. Great group of guys over there as well. Thanks for sliding through to Slide Through News. I'm your host, Will Pousant. Hope everybody has a great week. We'll see you guys next week.